Hey guys! This video is fully sponsored by Zalora. Today I'm gonna show you guys what's in my bag. It's my beach bag, especially because since it's gonna be summer, I might as well show you guys what's in my beach bag. DIY bag. It's just a normal tote bag, and I DIY. I add some ribbons because ribbons are in trend now, and I really like an open bag because I feel like it's more easier for me to bring around and just dump everything inside. I find it more easier. So first up, I have my phone because I can never go anywhere without my phone. Like, my phone is where I work, where I reply all of my emails, where I have to keep up with my orders, my business and everything. So my phone, bringing this everywhere I go. Next up is SONY. So I've been very into unique pieces of SONYs, and this one is from Keddo, and just look at this. I love these glasses. This is new to the collection and I love it because it's super cute. Next up, this is super weird, but I have this heatless tool in my bag as well because my hair is super crusty. The salt water just ruins my curl. So what I do is I let it sit in my heatless tool. Way to go through which is the best way to go through the day. Yes, it's gonna look very weird on your hair, but who cares? The moment you remove it, you have this flawless looking hair. So I have this is from Revolution, and it managed to keep this clean. So yeah, has two scrunchies. You need a good hair every time because a good hair just... Next up is head. I hate my hair after going into the sea, like my salty ass hair, because I have a very wavy straight hair, and it's so irritating after you shower and you never blow dry your hair. So I usually like to bun it up or just let it go and put on a hat. And this hat is very comfortable, also from Cotton On. It's a very cute piece. You can never go wrong with a black hat. What is next up, if I'm not mistaken, and it's the most cutest one piece ever. It has a wiring going on underneath here, if I'm not mistaken, and it's the most cutest one piece ever. It has a wiring going on underneath here. It is in a good quality or something. I see what material they use, and if they use a gold hardware, I feel like it's better made. That's just my personal opinion. But yeah, love this. So I use a denim also from Cotton On, just to go to the sea. Next up, I want to introduce you guys to the L'Occitane body oil. This is L'Occitane body oil. Out under the sun. I have tan skin, but I get tanner and my skin tend to burn faster than normal other tone skin. So I love to calm it down with an oil, and this shower cools down your skin, and I have it in a mini size so I can... Up is a change of outfit. So I'm in love with almost all the summer dresses from Zalora, and I have very hard time choosing almost anything before I'm on a holiday or before I go on a trip. But this dress right here, Trendyol, and this is such a cute piece. It's such a flowy dress. You can just literally slip on. I usually get a dress to change as my outfit to change after, because all I want to do after that is just slip on a dress and walk out to have lunch or dinner or whatever time it is, because it gets so hot under the sun sometimes. So this is the perfect dress to slip on and continue with your day. And it matches my cap and my glasses, which is a plus for me. My bag, bag that I carry money and everything else, Jacquemus. And did you know that Zalora carries Jacquemus as well? yes, for women, for men. So I got this jacquemus, and I love how it's like thick strap, because like it gives you very holiday vibes, and it's not very like dressy. It's very much like a casual. And then what's inside here is nothing much, guys. Trust me, it's just my bank card, my IC, and driving license, and my favorite lip oil from Clarins. This is the tinted lip oil from Clarins in the shade Plum. So all of my items that I show you guys is actually all from Zalora, which is like the best thing ever. So usually before I go on a holiday, on a trip, or anywhere, like even if I want to go to an event, I usually just hop on to Zalora. I have my perfumes everywhere. It's like a one-stop center, and it's seriously super user-friendly because you can shop on their website. They even have their own app, which is like a free app. You guys can download and purchase it just on the go. And Raya is also around. They have such a huge varieties of. They have such a huge Raya outfit myself. But definitely hop on because they have lots and lots of sales going on every single time. So don't forget to just download Zalora. Until then, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below what you guys want to see next and which bag do you guys want me to show you guys next. Till then, I'll see you guys. Mwah.